Hi friends, in this small video we are going to show you how to change the LCD, the keyboard of the Lenovo Y410. So there are two variants basically, one is the black and one is the silver one. So we've got a black one hands-on. So we just wanted to share this small video with you. So as it is with all the laptops that we work with, we need to remove the batteries first thing first. There will be these two notches here. Just need to unseat the battery. You need to just open the laptop a little bit like this, and using a very thin screwdriver just unseat the panel. So as you can see, it has been unseated. Just bend the LCD over to around 120 degrees and then very gently just remove this particular panel. There's no connecting strip on the behind, so I'm not worry about it getting cut or anything, but still it's ideal if you do it gently. As you can see, for removing the keyboard you need to remove these screws which are holding the here it is. The keyboard just pops out. You just need to very gently remove these two connectors. Very gently, and remove the strip. The keyboard pops out, as you can see. There are no screws that have to be unscrewed from the behind, so you can just change the change the keyboard using this particular method. Let's see how to change the LCD. As you can see, there are these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rudders that are there in place. We need to remove these small rudders which have got small screws on the behind, one by one. Screws will just come out. Keep the screws that are connecting the LCD on one side so that there is no confusion when you're again re-screwing the LCD panel. I just need to use this very thin screwdriver that we have. I need to make cavity between the two front and the back panel so that the inner LCD can be exposed. Be very gentle on this process because some sort of gluing that happens basically here, so just need to put it. So as you can see, see, just bring the LCD back to its 120-degree position and the entire top panel comes out. As you can see, we need to remove these screws which are holding the back panel so that we can remove the LCD out of the laptop. Change it. As you can see, this thing comes out, and if you want to change the inverter board, then you can see that this inverter board is very much here. Just need to remove it using a screwdriver. Just unscrew this thing, remove the power cable and the data cable. This is your inverter board for the Lenovo Y410. I just need to unscrew the hinges. Don't do the unscrewing of all the screws of one side at the same time. The LCD might just fall off. So if you remove two screws on the other side, just hold this LCD and remove. As you can see, the LCD just comes out. You can remove the VGA cable. Just removing this thing, the stickering that is there, it's very rigid, cannot come out all that easily. Do it gently, but don't apply any amount of pressure to the board that is connecting the VGA cable, otherwise the LCD would have gone bad. You can remove this, and you have the LCD here. You can as well remove the hinges of this particular laptop by removing these two screws and a screw that is connecting on the base. The same here, 1 and 2 screws, and there is one screw on the base that you need to remove. This screw here and this screw here. These two and these two screws here. 3 screws here, 3 screws here. 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom. Remove these. You can remove the hinges and you can change the hinges also. This is a replacement LCD that I've taken. The same way I've shown you to open it. Now you can do the same way by looking at the video again, and you'll come to know how to again refit it. It's as simple as that. You just need to again screw the LCD on the hinges, and you need to again put in the VGA cable, and you need to put in the inverter board, all these things, and you need to again refit. So thanks a lot for watching, guys.